In today's unboxing series, we're looking at the AllSecure650 2K wireless security kit, a Wi-Fi compatible network video recorder with 2K resolution cameras utilising Swann technology that ensures the best available Wi-Fi connection. Let's have a look at what's inside. Inside the first box, you get the following: the NVW650 network video recorder, better known as an NVR, with a pre-installed hard drive. Located at the rear of the NVR is a HDMI port, Ethernet port, 2 USB ports, a microSD card slot, and a power port. Also located at the rear is a battery charging bay that can be used to charge the camera's battery. It can also power the NVR for up to 5 hours if there's a power outage. The status LEDs are located here. Green indicates power, blue demonstrates that a storage device is connected and will flash when accessed, red indicates that the NVR is connected to your home network. A HDMI cable to connect the NVR to your TV. 4K TVs are supported. An Ethernet cable. Connect this to your router or Wi-Fi access point to provide internet access to the NVR. The NVR can also gain internet access via Wi-Fi. A USB mouse. Connect this to the USB port labelled mouse. A 12-volt power adapter to provide power to the NVR. In the other box, you get the following: 4 2K HD video battery-powered cameras. They have a controllable sensor spotlight and siren, with two-way audio to welcome visitors or warn intruders. 5 rechargeable camera batteries. Beneath the battery cover is a USB-C connection for charging. The battery is inserted into the camera and will click into place. 4 camera mounting brackets. You can mount the bracket to a wooden or masonry surface. The bracket has an adjustable arm so you can angle the camera to the desired viewing angle. Screws, wall plugs and mounting templates are included. 2 USB-C cables. Use this to charge the batteries. A USB power adapter, typically included with your smartphone, can be used. You can also connect this to a USB port on the NVR to charge. And a welcome pack containing the camera manual, hardware, startup wizard and Swann security app quick start guides, along with theft deterrent stickers. For connection instructions, please look at the blue coloured hardware installation guide. Each step will guide you on how to connect the cameras and the various components included. The second guide to follow is the red coloured startup wizard quick start guide. This will guide you on the various steps that need to be completed in the startup wizard. To view the cameras on your mobile device, follow the instructions in the green coloured guide to download the Swann security app. There are instructions for Android and iOS. And lastly, the included camera manual contains mounting instructions and placement location tips. Thanks for watching.